Hi everyone, NancyAnger here, and I'm super excited for what I'm going to share with you today. So if you're jumping on, say hello. If you're watching the replay, you can do hashtag SoundCodes, one word. So I shared a little bit in a post earlier today, but I just want to share a little bit about SoundCodes. So I came across SoundCodes in 2013, and at the time I was having a lot of back and neck pain, and what I came across was called Atlas Imbalance, and it was using SoundCodes to actually affect the vertebrae in my neck and all the way down. And at the time I found out that most people's first vertebrae is out of alignment. So, and I had had a lot of back and neck problems before that, or up till that time, and they had been getting better, but there was something missing. And so I came across this modality, or it came across me, I'll say, and I didn't really understand what it was or how it worked, but I just knew that I wanted to try it out. And it's something that it was really cool and interesting to me that sound could actually move bone and affect. I knew a little about energy. I knew some about energy work at that time, but just to really experience that sound, something that's so gentle and beautiful, could make a profound difference. So I'm just going to share a little bit about SoundCodes. So they're like beautiful memories. So they're kind of like an ancient language that your body understands and responds to, right? You probably all know you respond to music, right? And music has words, which can also trigger other things, but SoundCodes don't have words. So it's kind of like it moves even beyond the words. It affects beyond the thinking mind, and they actually work at a cellular level or an energetic level. And they're able to influence physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual body simultaneously. And how this works is it actually awakens your body's own natural ability to clear and restore itself, which is pretty awesome. So your body is receiving these sound codes, and your body knows what to do. Your body responds according to whatever is in the best for your body, which is pretty cool. So sound codes work through vibration, right? Sound and vibration. There's a lot of things that even science has been using vibrational technology for a long time. Even think of like an ultrasound, right? For a baby, or if you have an injury in your body, that the ultrasound can use sound non-invasively to go take a peek and see what's going on. And so vibration affects matter, which causes a shift, a transmutation. And also water, like water is matter as well, water is matter, and we are about 70% water. So sound codes work similar if you've heard of light language, and it's okay if you haven't. So it creates a frequency or vibration that allows you to have a cellular healing. So today I am going to share some sound codes so you can just experience for yourself. So you can either listen with eyes closed or open, doesn't matter. I like to listen with eyes closed just because it kind of helps me turn inside. Dao ta, Dao ta, Dao ta, Dao ta. This next code is called Easy Water Hydration, to help the water in your body, the 70% or whatever it is, to help energy and things flow through. They've actually discovered there's a fourth property to water. There's water, there's liquid, vapor, and frozen, whatever you call it. And then there's easy water. You can Google it on YouTube. Dr. Pollack talks about it. It's a little sciencey, but anyway, it's a real thing and it's cool. So this sound code is actually going to help that water, the things flow in your body more easily. Ia-o-a, ia-o-a, o-a. Ia-o-a, ia-o-a, o-a. Ia-oa, ia-oa-oa. And then state of love, because love heals all. Ai-o, 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 Vaya-ho-ah-ho, 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 vaya-ho-ah-ho. Yum, 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 yum. I'm going to call in now the violet flame of transformation. Si-ma-na-na-ne, 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 si-ma-na-na-ne. And the sound codes will continue working in your body for as long as they like. And I'm going to sing some sound codes now to kind of let that happen. So set that intention, if you will. Ai-om, 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 ai-om. Awen, 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 awen. Let me know how you feel after you listen. I'll pop a link. I was going to pop a link to my post about it, but I'm going to pop a link to my my website page. If you want to learn a little bit more about SoundCodes, or you want a consultation, or you can also reach out or comment below. Thanks for watching. If you're watching this on YouTube, because I'm going to share it in there too. If you enjoy this, please like, share, or subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And it's my intention to keep bringing more, hopefully great content for you to enjoy. Thank you.